Hi, Tom Kofer with OnPoint Consulting. Today we're very excited to be sharing individual recorded learning sessions from our highly successful free OnPoint Sage 300 CRE web conference attended by Sage users all over the country. We had 10 great web sessions over a 2-day period that were extremely well attended, and just wanted to pass those on to you so that you, as part of OnPoint's continuing commitment and focus as our customer base and as a Sage 300 CRE user. Um, the session that I'm introducing today is Inquiry Designer Best Practices. And some of you may have used Inquiry Designer, but what we've discovered is a lot of folks use it on the surface but don't really understand the power of it. So today's session really helps you take Inquiry Designer to the next level in terms of a powerful, easy to use report creation tool with drill down. We were really able to deliver a webinar at this level of success because of our deep pool of very experienced senior Sage CRE 300 consultants, trainers, software developers, and custom report developers. In addition to our support team that's focused on support training and consulting, we also here at OnPoint provide our CRE customers with services we call optimization and business process reviews to help our customers determine if Sage can be enhanced or should be replaced. Can we add value? Can you continue using the tool, or is it time to consider making a change? So our optimization and business process reviews really help you determine that. We've helped hundreds of Sage 300 CRE users over our past 30-year history and are really here to help you gain the maximum use of your software and hopefully extend the life of your investment. We're here to help. And after the video, if you found it helpful, then please like or share us on Facebook and share us on Facebook or LinkedIn, and also find us at onpoint-software.com. Thank you, and we really appreciate your commitment to us over the years. Enjoy this session with our compliments, and stay well, friends.